Hi there. Okay, so we're moving into unwrapping, UV unwrapping now, and we're going to start laying some UVs onto our objects. We're going to cover several things here, and I've broken it down so we gradually progress, starting with the basics. Some really simple objects like cubes and cylinders and some basic stuff just to lay the groundwork and hopefully provide some basic understanding of what UV unwrapping is all about. And then we're going to move on. We're going to start some simple things like a metal drum. These drums, in the background of this image, you can see we've got some drums outside the hut. We're going to do some of those first because they're cylinders essentially, and fairly straightforward to UV map. And then we're going to do various different types of objects. We're going to do we're going to do this heart, and we're going to do trees, organics, and this axe, and various different ones to give you different understanding of how to UV simple to complex shapes. And as you see here, we're going to cover multi-sub objects. And these are how to UV objects that have multiple materials on them. So that's quite interesting. Something you will come across, and something we'll certainly be doing in this course. And like I said before, complex shapes, organics like trees. I'll show you how to UV map a tree trunk. And like I said, we're going to do this hut, and on this hut we're going to have various objects like the roof, and it's going to have a tiling texture. So again, it's another technique you'll learn. And then I'm going to give you a small challenge at the end. I'm going to leave the door and the door frame for you to UV map as a small challenge. So that should be fun. And once you've learnt all of these objects, that should be no problem at all. And then we're going to finish it off with a quiz to wrap up the section. So once you've done this section, you should be fairly confident on how to UV map pretty much any object. So that's it for now. Let's just get started, and I'll see you in the next lecture.